Okay, so we are going to do bird rig today. So we have a character here, like a macaw character. Okay, and just observe the body part, only the body part. We have a face and the body here, and this is the tail part. Okay, wings part is separate. We will work on the wings part separately, the way we have done ribs for the dino and all. So wings part is separate. Okay, and what type of action this character will do, this bird will do, based on that we have to rig this character. Okay, so I'll come over here. So actually I have placed few curves and all. This is for the rig part. So what I'll do, I'll delete this. Later we'll create, anyhow we can create it. Okay, so outline. Okay, make sure your outline is also clean. Outliner. Okay, now T for template mode. So for this body, I can have the cog somewhere here. Okay. So go to rigging, skeleton. So by looking at this character, you should visualize, okay, how does this character will perform the action, and based on that, we have to rig the character. Okay. So I'll just take skeleton, create joints. Okay, I take this one. So one, the joint size is so small. So I'll go to animation, joint size. I'll make it quite bigger here. This is cog. One, two, three. This is for the neck part, four. And I place one here and one is here. One I place here and one for the jaw part. Press up arrow two times. Then from here I take it one for the eye part. Okay. Or from here to here also I can take, which this joint, another joint if I create, no, this will control the beak part, or it's okay, no problem. Okay. After this, let me create again joint. One for this tail here. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, and eight. This is for the tail. Okay. So we got these many joints here. So now I select this, right click, select hierarchy, select hierarchy. The entire things are selecting. Just change here, tail. So all the tail joints are done. I name this as cog, and this one, two, three. Hmm, select okay, this three spine, and this is neck. Just a minute. guys. I have to take the other call. Okay, in the meantime, what I have done is, like I just created this joint setup for the leg part, assuming this as a thigh, this as a thigh, and here one bend is required. Okay, so for that purpose, like a knee, okay, we can correlate to that. So like a knee, and this is an ankle part, this one, okay. And after this, by looking at this leg, look at this leg part. Uh, this is, it will bend like this, okay. By look at this, it can bend like this. So considering, like I have given this three joints here, I think three bend is enough. Means like one, two, three. Like this kind of bend is enough. Okay. And here in the back side, it will be two. It won't be more. Okay. So you guys let me know if you have any doubts. Shading. So under shading, we have something called X-ray. If you turn on X-ray, the body looks like an X-ray. Okay. So in the meantime, you can see the joints as well as the body also. Later, you can turn off. Okay. Okay. Any doubts are there up to here?
No, sir.
Okay. So this character is having a tail, the tail is spread a bit wide. So even what we can do here, the top view, I can build, the joints separately like this here. Okay, it can go like this. So I can go to skeleton. So from here it is done. I think yesterday you have asked the question, how do we add a joint in between? Let's say you have one joint here and there's another joint, and this joint you don't have. The connection is not there. So one example is, one way is select this and select this, press P. Connectivity, it will, no, we get a connectivity. But if I want to insert or if I want to continue from here, so what you can do, you have insert joint. Under skeleton, you have insert joint. So in this case, first I need to select this joint, and from here I want to insert. Like from here, one and two. So I am inserting. Am I? Yeah. I need to select this one. Oh, I think I'm inserting here only. Or else let's do one thing. The insert joint, it should work. Mm, okay, insert will work, I think, in this way. Okay, these are the joint. From here to here, we have one joint, right? One joint and one joint. I want in the middle, so I can click and drag. See, this is how you can insert. But I think in this in current situation, I need to create actually. I don't want to insert. So in this case, one here, one, two, three, enter. So it's over here. So what I'll do is I'll place this here, press D, select this, two down, select this, two down here. Okay. Then I select this, I duplicate this, one for here. I need to see whether it is proper or not. So it should come down like this. So I think there was I think someone was asking where is insert key. Is it Niseko you? Were you able to identify where is the insert key?
No, sir, I wasn't.
Okay, make sure in your keyboard, I think after print screen key and before delete key, insert key is there. Actually, it varies in, like laptop to laptop. Some system I have seen there is no insert key. In that case, what you can do, you can use a shortcut D, the key, the numeric, the alphabetical letter D. D also perform the same task what insert will do. Okay. So
Yes.
I'm
So we
duplicating
do
this.
have an insert key.
Huh?
It's the right on the left of the delete key. There's a print
Yeah,
screen,
yeah.
and
On the left side of the
that
delete key, it
is
is there.
without you have to hold the function key
Uh-huh.
and then press print key.
Yeah. All of your laptops are similar only, right? Which school has given. It should have.
Yeah, we all have the exact same one.
Yeah. So based on this model, like I'm just creating this kind of joint setup. Actually, it's fun, like you can create, uh, you can enjoy while working. Okay. So it's something like this I have created. Okay, then let's do the naming. This is a tail feather. Select hierarchy. Tail feather. I'll make this as A. I select this, go to hierarchy. This is B and this is C. Okay, before that I need to do these are left, right, left and right we need to do. Select this, go to hierarchy, LT underscore hierarchy, LT underscore, this is B, again hierarchy, LT underscore, this is C. Yes. Okay, tail name is done. Okay, I select this. This is left. So give the same names what we give for the body so that we can clearly understand. Okay, select this. This is LP. Left knee. And this is left ankle. Or you can call this as left ball. There is no ankle in this. So ball will stay on the floor like that. So this is left heel 1, heel 2. LT heel 1 and 2. And this is, let's call this as index middle ring, or left finger 1, finger A, finger B, finger C. Select hierarchy, LT, finger A. select hierarchy, B, C. I think it's done. The naming part is done. So simple logic here, select these things. And this, all this should be child of the ball joint. Select this and this, press P. Parenting is done. Now, this should be child of the other joint. So before that, what I do, I select this. I need to mirror this under skeleton, mirror joint. Search for, this is in YZ axis, YZ, YYZ, because you have to see the straight line here. And here you get to see YZ. Search for LT and replace with RT and mirror. You got this. Select these two, and these two should be child of this one, P. And I name this as cog, and tail is already here. Select this one, this cog, P, parenting. Okay. Okay, I'm selecting the cog, press D. I think the cog should be somewhere here. Tail is okay. I think this is all done. Okay, now I select this mirror one, select this G for last tool, select this G for last tool. So what I do is I select this and this, then select this P, select this and this, then select this P, select this, this, and the other one P. Okay. So the joint setup is like this. Okay, I got it like this. So till now, we have done it up to here. Okay. So after this, we need to work on the wings part. Wings. Let's work on the left wings part first. For the wings, I'll take this joint as a key joint for the wings part. Okay. So create joints. Let's create. For timing, you just add. See, okay. Due to the leg part, leg joints, this is distracting. So actually in wings, if you observe for the birds, this part is bit stronger. This one, this is stronger. Assume this is like our hand. This is like our hand. Okay. This will pull the feathers and ornaments while flying. Okay. While flapping. So one has to come here. Okay. Then enter. Place this first. Placement has to be really perfect. So just turn off the X-ray. Turn off X-ray joints also. So this joint is somewhere here. See here. Okay. So I'm placing it here. Then I turn on X-ray joints. One joint is here. I can play it around. One is here. So I duplicate this. one I place here. Again, I duplicate. I place one here. Okay. 1, 2, or else let's do one thing. I'll select this one is here. I place this here. So it's like a threefold it will happen. One, this one, it will bend. Then it can bend like this, the another one. Okay. So for time being, I'm giving threefold like this. Let's say one here. Then I duplicate this one here like this. And I duplicate. This is anyhow for the jaw, feather part. Just let it be. It's okay. So like this. I created 3 joints here. Okay. So from here we can spread it. Okay. From each and every joint we can spread. That will do. Any doubts up to here? How to achieve this output? Any doubts?
No.
Would you like to do only this much first?
Yes.
Huh?
Can we do that first?
Okay, do this first. In the next class, I'll show you. This is a bit more technical. Okay, means we need to visualize the bird flapping, wings flapping. Then we have to create. So do only this much first. Okay, then we go with wings part. Okay. What I'll do, I'll be sending this model, only the model. Okay, model file, so that you can start working on the rigging part. Okay. Meanwhile, you guys try to complete the previous work and all, and by next Friday, by 28th, I want all the assignments for rigging, whatever work I have done in rigging. I need all those, at least, like one dyno rig, one character rigging. Okay, those things are required. I'll let you know what and all other things required. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, fine. I'll share this model with you all. Okay, in WhatsApp. So you download and you complete this up to here. In the next class, I'll continue the wings part. Okay.
All right. Sir.
Okay then. Thank you. Bye. Have a good day.
Thanks. Sir. Bye.